Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. Are you in pain or do you feel pain on a certain part of your body? I always say pain affects us more than just physically. It affects us emotionally, it affects us mentally, and also it affects us financially. Well, why do I say that? Because, well, when you're in pain, you get frustrated, you get moody, uh, and that will prevent you from being the best you, which when you're working will prevent you from performing the best, thereby affecting you financially also. So pain affects you in a wide variety of ways, all right? And everyone that I know, they want to be able to get rid of the pain. They want to be able to move better. They want to function normally again. And basically they just want to be pain free and live how they were before they had that pain. Now, want to ask you one question. What do you think is causing that pain? The reason why I ask this is I get this response a lot from patients that they think the mentality is they think that there's a certain structure that's causing the pain, that's causing the problem. So they think that the root cause is a structure. It can be a ligament, can be a tendon, a muscle, a joint, a disc. But we get fixated into thinking that there is that structure that's at fault there, right? And oftentimes I have patients coming in tell me, I don't even know why my doctor sent me for therapy without an MRI. Or I hear them saying, my doctor should have done an MRI or an X-ray. Nowadays, nobody trusts X-rays, and everybody just wants MRIs. I hear that a lot from patients. And I want to share with you what I think is causing the pain. Now, let me ask you this other question. If you think that, say, certain structures involved, let's say, for example, two people with arthritis, right? Let's say arthritis in the knee, two people with arthritis. One will have pain, and have you known of other people with arthritis who do not have pain? Do you know that? I have patients who even tell me, oh yeah, my parents, they never complained about their pain, the pain on the knees, and thinking if they're old, probably they have arthritis. But this I see in patients. I have patients who have arthritis, both of them, but one have pain, one do not have pain. Or I actually have a patient, I remember this because I saw the MRI in the back. I'm like, holy cow. And it's like, this is so bad. That person, shouldn't be walking. But you know what? The person just has a little bit of pain. How do you explain that if we're thinking is the structure is involved there, right? So what I'm gonna say is the structure is not the one that's causing. It's not the root cause of your pain. The root cause of your pain is the imbalance. All right. So you have an imbalance that's causing weakness, that's causing stiffness, that's causing inflammation and causing pain. All right. So it's not really the structure that's an imbalance there. It's more than just one part, and that's what I'm gonna tell you. So that's the reason why I think one person or two people can have similar situations in arthritis, and one person will have pain and one person will not. It's because one person have an imbalance and the other person do not. All right. So at least that's my take on that. I just want to just shatter this, this belief or this thinking that we always have to look for that structure. Because if that's the case, and I have patients who actually come in and tell me, well, if my ligament is the problem and it doesn't heal, how can therapy help me with that? Right? Are you going to be healing that ligament, or are you going to be, taking the arthritis away? So how do you expect to heal, to get me pain free? And the answer to that is because we are going to correct an imbalance, right? So yeah, we cannot get your arthritis to go away. Some of the ligaments, if it's badly torn enough, or a tendon that's badly torn enough, we cannot heal that. But we get rid of the pain because we are actually able to correct the imbalance that actually affects everything else. And when you have restored balance in the body, you do not develop inflammation, you do not develop pain ultimately. Okay, so that's my take on that. And in our clinic here at Restore Plus, we create a program that will correct your imbalance, and we use modalities that helps you with the pain, helps you with the inflammation. So overall, we try to, restore the balance to the body. You correct the imbalance, you correct the fault lines that's there to get you to have long-lasting results. All right, compared to other things that you've tried. Our main thing is getting you longer lasting results. All right, so let me know what you think about that. Feel free to leave your comment below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. And if you are, or you know somebody who are in serious pain, feel free to contact us. You can contact us through our email, or through the contact form in our website, or through the number. Usually it's going to be somewhere in the website there, or probably it's going to be at the bottom of this page. Feel free to contact us, so that way we can let you know what we can do, and we can customize a program to correct the imbalance and give you longer lasting results, or permanent pain relief. Okay, so I will see you on the next video, and stay safe and be pain free. Bye.